Hi guys, this is MicheleMarieDalene. I'm just going to show you and Dory real quick the Raspberry Pis we got configured right now. This here is the case for the Raspberry Pi. You can see here it's physically very small. You got your USB hub cord here, your two hard drives here, power cord that goes from the hub into the Raspberry Pi here, the composite video and audio cable here, and just like in my old Commodore 64 sets from high school, you turn it on, you turn on the two hard drives, make sure they're on, and flip the power switch right here. It turns everything on. Now we come over here to this side. This is definitely old school setup. This is a monitor from the 1980s. This is from my old Commodore 64 and Commodore VIC-20. And it's gonna warm up. The tube's in it. And you will see it's booting up now. It's, or it should be, you would think. Yeah, there you go. Just a loose connection in the back. Alright, let's see if we can try to fix it. Okay, so this, unfortunately, as you can see, this picture is not exactly as good as some computers are because it's a little fuzzy, but that's because this is analog and this is an older TV. It's got a browser on it which has the internet on it, and you can play videos on it, and I'll show you that as it loads using my old Mac ADB mouse. So if I go to this browser right here, what I just clicked on, which is the smallest capacity browser of all, I can go to a YouTube video right here. I've probably seen this video more than I want to admit, but if anything, it's a good demonstration of how it plays. Let's scroll on here. The sound quality is not that good. It's not that bad. It's kind of in the middle.
Alright, move your head.
And you probably don't see it. The screen might be flickering a little bit.
Oh my god, there were so many.
Now let me maximize the picture, Dory.
I auditioned for Lord of the Rings.
Really?
Yeah. For Frodo.
Yeah, sorry.
Of course. What do you mean, man?
So, what do you think of the picture there?
Yeah,
Nice.
Very hairy, yeah, they really are, yeah. No, I got a call from all these agents, you know, I got like a conference call from like 14 agents.
So what I did was I worked to try to make the
and so they called
plays
me and they were like, oh, guess
better
what? And I was like, oh, what?
than it
They're
would
like, they're making Lord of the Rings.
otherwise by tweaking some adjustments on it. And then of course, let's go back to command language where I normally would work it, because I'm not really so much into the browsers as much. So, and you know, on the screen I have to admit this text, this font is a little bit creepy. I'm not really too impressed by why they had the screen so damn bright. Okay, and then of course we have an MP3 player. We use, every one of the Linux machines has this. This is MP3 Blaster. It's a text curses based MP3 player. Right now I don't have any music loaded at this point in here. I can load some through the network songs, which I'll show you how to do that. Get out of here. Yep. Okay. So type in mount I guess sudo first. Sudo mount the name of when the IP address that the music stored on 0.5 / music files and mount it to music files because I already have a folder for that. Options is read only, no lock. And oops. Let's see, let's go. Show you amount 168 music files. Okay, there you go. So now, go back to... As you can see, the screen is kind of hard to see. This reminds me of my dealing with my old IBM PC-AT when using the CGA card, which is a lot easier to read than this. Alright, so let's go to the music collection. I'm just going to grab something here. Song that's appropriate for this monitor. And that's the MP3 that's stored on this computer right here, and it's playing on this computer right here. And because of the RIAA and MPAA, you will have to pause the song at this point. But it's still working. Let me do this. Okay, so that's from the people who killed the radio star. And this current configuration will also work with our console television as well, which probably will give it a little bit better picture. I never really tried it on a console. I don't really know how much better or worse it look. Any questions?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
And by the way, one last thing you can do with this is this Raspberry Pi only really draws less than 5 watts of power just for the computer itself. You'll see I'm going to show this real quick here. I have 2 USB connected hard drives, one on the top and one on the bottom. This holds, the one on the bottom holds the operating system and the temporary storage area. After the Raspberry Pi is loaded up from the disk or from the SD card, I switch over to these 2 drives here. This top one here holds, I believe, the home directories, and has another partition for source code for software development. And it's kind of a simple way of dealing with a simple need. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go, guys. See you the flip side.